In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the search feature in Notion on your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to locate any information or document quickly and efficiently within your Notion workspace. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Notion website. You can do this by entering notion.so in the address bar and pressing the enter key. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage featuring options to log in or sign up if you do not already have an account. Next, if you're not signed in, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials, which may include your email address and password. After entering your details, click the login button to access your Notion workspace. Wait a moment for the page to refresh and display your Notion dashboard. Once you are in your workspace, look for the search bar, which is typically located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the search bar to activate it. This action allows you to start typing in keywords related to the content you want to find. As you type, you will notice that Notion begins to display relevant search results in real time. After typing in your search terms, you can refine your results by clicking on the sort option that appears above the search results. This feature allows you to organize the results based on various criteria, such as date or title. Selecting a sorting option can significantly streamline your search process, especially if you have a large number of documents. To further narrow down your search, look for the option labeled Title Only. By clicking this option, you will filter the results to show only items that match your search terms in their titles. This can be particularly useful when searching for specific documents or pages. Another helpful sorting feature is created by. Clicking on this option will allow you to filter results based on the creator of the content. This is beneficial if you are looking for documents authored by a specific team member or collaborator. You could also click on Team Space to refine your search to a particular team or project space within Notion. This feature is useful for organizations that utilize Notion for multiple teams or projects, helping you find relevant documents more efficiently. Next, look for the In option, which allows you to further specify the location of your search. Clicking this will provide you with a drop-down menu where you can select specific pages or databases in which to search. This targeted approach can save time and yield more accurate results. You might also want to utilize the date filter to search for documents created or modified within a specific time frame. Selecting this option will enable you to set date parameters, ensuring that your search results are relevant to the time period you are interested in. Additionally, you can highlight specific content by clicking on the highlight option, which will allow you to locate sections or notes that you have previously highlighted within your documents. This feature can greatly enhance your ability to find important information quickly. Finally, once you find the page you want from the search results, click on it to open it. The selected page will load, displaying the content you were searching for. If you need to return to your search, simply click on the blank space outside the page to exit the view. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.